All right, let's take a look at the ultimate playground on the XL class ships on Carnival. These are pretty much going to be the same on Mardi Gras, Celebration and Jubilee. So they're going to be on deck 18 and 19 at the back of the ship. We're going to walk you around it with a video in a moment. We're going to show you the boat, the waterworks, sports court, the rope course, the golf course. We're going to show you pretty much everything. The vast majority of it is on deck 18. There's a few little things on deck 19, kind of like the boat. So let's take you on a tour of the ultimate playground. Here we are, we're starting, and again this one's on Carnival Jubilee, but it's going to be very similar on all the other ships. And it's race, basically you're going to walk around the jogging track. Up here you go to the ropes course, and that's a pretty intimidating ropes course, if I don't mind saying so myself. And you'll see various games like a foosball there spread around. Here is your basketball court. We'll also utilize this for football, what you call soccer, but real people call football, and pickleball and stuff. And there's a very intimidating ropes course up above. I get vertigo just looking at it. And you'll see coming into play here now is part of the boat itself. Another, you won't get me on it. Julie did it once. Twice, actually. And you'll see some of these clamshells around for sitting. Now, why anybody would want to sit in those? You're right by the funnel, which is quite noisy. I do not know. I guess they were just filling up space. But as we continue down here, you'll see we're continuing on the running track. And when we get through the end of here, we're going to start coming into the waterworks area. Right here. Pretty large. Now, obviously, this is going to get very busy with kids. So, unless you have kids, you may not be spending too much time up here. You're probably not even watching this if you don't have kids. But if you do have kids, it's a fun place to be, isn't it? Apart from all the green and yellow, which is a very bad color combination for me. It's another football thing. Soccer to you. There is the mini golf. Quite large at the very, very back of the ship. And you will see bolt going above your head all the time. That's the bolt right there. So there you are, the mini golf at the very back. And we're going to come back around here to the opposite side of the waterworks. And just up ahead, you'll see we're coming to the entrance to bolt. It's going to be at the very top there. You see that hut? You're going to go up these stairs on the left. There's a good photo op in the boat there if you don't want to go on one. But you're basically going to go up those stairs only if you have an appointment. You can make them on the hub. Some more clamshells, which I still don't understand why they're there, but they're there. Next to the not quiet, well, relatively quiet on these ships, I guess, funnel. And we're just going to come up and finish our loop in a second. The opposite end of the basketball court. And there's, oh, look at that ropes course going out over the water. No, no. Braver person than me will do that. Oh, it looks high. I get vertigo if you didn't already know. And they'll have some cornhole and stuff set up there. This is early in the morning, some more foosball there. And that about wraps up your little tour, a very quick video this week, of the ultimate playground on the XL class ships. Try it. You know what? I'm going to give you a bonus video. This was Julie doing the bolt back in 2021 on Mardi Gras. Now there's a couple go off in front. I want you to notice just how fast they go off. So they're about to go, and then you do 2 laps. So I'll show you just how slow Julie was. And she's convinced she went at full speed. There goes the first couple. Vroom. Now Julie's coming up. Now you may not get a good idea of how far or how slow she's actually going. But yeah, there she goes. And the other couple's gone, left her for dust. So la-di-da-di-da. I'm telling you, this wasn't very fast. She hates it when I say this. But you can go a bit faster than this. You do control the speed to a certain extent. Now you can see that the first couple, they have already done their second round, and Julie's still coming up for the first one. So yeah, you won't see the first couple again. But here comes Julie on the second try. Vroom! Flying through the air. So yeah, you do 2 laps on the bolt, And so she's going to hate me if she ever sees this video. Never show that, she said. Oh well, that's the bolt. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget, subscribe, hit that bell, and you'll get notifications when new videos come out. And don't forget, click on the links to the left and right of me. You can watch playlists, new video suggestions, and more. Any questions? Email me, cruisingsuitguy@gmail.com. And don't forget, I'm a travel agent. Email for help.